Hello everyone, this is Aji here. So, how are you all? And today just I came with some couple of words which is always mispronounced in our country, and it's a pronunciation, not like pronunciation, pronunciation, pronunciation. It all are wrong. It's pronunciation. And second is comfortable. Yes, it's not like that comfortable because it has been spoken many people in our country frequently mispronounce like comfortable, but it's absolutely wrong. It's comfortable. And next word is monk. Yes, monk. It's not like monk. It's monk. Yes. Next time when you speak this word, then you can speak like monk, not monk. And next word is casualty. Yes, it's not like that casualty, casualty, it's casualty. Yes, it's casualty. And next word is probably. Yes, it's probably. It's not like probably, it's probably. It's probably. And next, I hope everyone, those who is watching this time, definitely they will correct their pronunciation. The word is plumber. Yeah, exactly. It's not like plumber. It's a plumber. It's a plumber. And last but not the least, it's library. Yes, it's library. It's not like library because everyone is speaking like I'm gonna library. No, it's wrong. I'm gonna library. Yes, it's library. So thank you so much guys and hope to see you soon.